Ballet, Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a preparatory exercise for frappes. So you're going to take a nice tendu en seconde. You're starting in fifth. You're going to take a nice tendu en seconde. Then you're going to bring yourself in. You're going to have your ball of your foot stay on the floor. You're going to bring it into your coup de pied devant. Then you're going to bring it back out. And you're going to do the same thing, derriere, bring it back out, devant. So your toes are the only thing staying on the floor. We're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu, coup de pied, tendu, coup de pied, tendu, 2, tendu, tendu, 3, and then 4. We're going to complete it, going to the back. We're going to take a nice tendu. We're just going to close back so we can have the other foot accessible. Ready, and we go. Tendu, devant, tendu, derriere, tendu, devant, tendu, derriere, tendu, devant, tendu, derriere. Last one, tendu, devant, tendu, derriere, tendu, closing back, and now finish.